Hello everyone. Today's recipe is baked bell peppers with the Mexican style stuffing. This is a very easy and quick recipe to do, so let's check out its preparation. The main ingredients for the stuffing are broccoli, corn, black beans, garlic, and Monterey Jack cheese. Beginning by putting all our ingredients into a bowl, starting with blanched broccoli, boiled corn, and cooked black beans. You can also use canned beans and corn for this. Next goes in finely chopped garlic. I have used about 4 to 5 garlic pods here. About 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili paste or hot sauce or Tabasco, whichever you prefer. Next goes in about a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. You may also use mozzarella or any other variety of cheese as per your liking. Now giving it a mix. Next goes in some salt and lime juice. Keep in mind that the cheese has salt in it, so add accordingly. Mix everything well. Check the seasoning and set it aside. Now preparing the bell peppers. Cut them into half and scoop out all the seeds. Make sure to remove the white parts. Tap it gently to remove any excess seeds. It's best to use yellow, orange or red peppers for this recipe since they are sweeter. Once the bell peppers have been de-seeded, blanch them for about 2 minutes so that they become a little soft. Remove them from the pan when they are done and set them aside. Next comes the assembling part. For this, grease a baking dish and arrange all the bell peppers into it. Now, stuffing the peppers with the prepared mix. Stuff them as much as possible. Finally, top it off with more cheese and bake them in a preheated oven at 400° Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or till the cheese melts. In the meantime, preparing the avocado chutney to go along with it. Cut the avocados into half and scoop out all the flesh. I'm using about 2 avocados for this. Next, add in some cilantro, few green chilies and lemon juice and blend them together. Keep them chunky or smooth as per your liking. Now I had a little stuffing left over, so preparing a roll with it. For this, just spread it onto a tortilla or a roti and top it off with some cheese and chutney and warm it up on a tawa or a griddle pan. Meanwhile, our bell peppers are out of the oven and ready to be served with our chutney. Have it as a snack, appetizer, or as a side dish to your main course. Hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. See you next time with another dish. Until then, take care. Bye bye.